What's up everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Patel channel. This is Patel and today we are breaking down the latest Bitcoin chart using SMC smart money concept and ICT principles. And chart is 2-day time frame. This is Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin has been moving beautifully inside the clean macro structure. You can see in the chart this. And I will show exactly how institutional money is positioning, where the real liquidity zones are, and what we can expect next. If you love deep professional crypto analysis, which is smart money precision, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and let's jump straight into the chart. This is Bitcoin 2-day time frame chart. So, all right, let's start with the big picture. Bitcoin has been begin macro structure, macro bullish structure from 2022 and early 2023. If you look at the chart, you can see multiple points where price respected the ascending trend line. Every time price touch 1, 2, 3 and 4. We saw a strong reversal marked by the green arrows. A strong reversal you can see in this chart. Currently price at this level. Each of these was smart money reaccumulation zones. This one. Meaning institutional traders were loading up positions, not exiting. And most recently, Bitcoin gave us perfect breakout per plus retest right around 100k marks. This is confirming bullish continuous this level. So let's talk about some SMC insights in this chart. Now let's go into the smart money perspective. You will notice that each time Bitcoin dipped below a key swing low, down, down and down, it's swept liquidity, meaning smart money triggered stop losses of retail traders to grab liquidity before pushing the price back upside. Liquidity grab and price upside. Liquidity grab and price upside. That's exactly what we just saw recently below 97 to 99k. This price is below 98k, 99, 98k level. After that sweep, price aggressively displaced to the upside. Classic liquidity grab followed by displacement. Got it, guys? The current bullish order block lies between 94k to 98k levels. If I draw this level, and this is where institutional buying interest remains strong. This entire zone acts as a reaccumulation base before another upside impulse. Now let's talk about ICT concepts. From an ICT standpoint, the structure look incredibly clean. This is price actions, this is ICT concept, and this is SMC concept. We have a breaker block. Do you know what is breaker block? This level and this level. This level and this level. Price go up and support. This is breaker block. So we have a breaker block around 100k levels, confirming the transition from bearish to bullish order flow. Above that, there is a fair value gap between 105k to 110k. This is fair value gap. You can see this is small gap. If I draw in square, this level, this is small level. This is upside fair value gap. Next logical movement magnet for the price. Bitcoin still trades inside the discount zones. You know what is discount zone? Discount zones always calculated by FVGs. Nearby 0. Below 0.5 fib retracement we can say discount zones. So Bitcoin still trade inside the discount zones of the macro range, meaning price is cheap compared to its long-term fair value. Premium territory begin this level. Premium territory begins once we cross 120 level. This level 120 level if cross, that's where liquidity from higher time frames start to stack up. So keep in mind 120 levels, and this is also 116294 is also very important level. So now we talk about price projections in these charts. Uh, let's zoom in. So where could Bitcoin go next, guys? If this bullish structure hold, is this bullish structure hold this level, we can a clear roadmap. My first target is 116, 116k, 116k. This is already I mentioned. Above this level, Bitcoin will be super bullish, and below this level, Bitcoin is still bearish. So for bullish scenario, Bitcoin must need to break 116k levels. My second target will be 130k to 135k, the fair value gap zone and premium range, this level. And my third target is 150k to 170k, this level, this level. That's the final macro liquidity pool where we may see major distribution later on. The key here is holding above 95k as long as Bitcoin stay above this level. This is my break support. Bullish order flow remain intact. So many asking about why 93k and 95k is critical. So now I am explain something very important in this chart. Zoom in. This 93k to 95k zone that I have highlighted as a bearish invalidation range. And lots of traders misunderstand this part. That range is not random. It's actually the last protected higher low and the origin of the current bullish impulse. This level. If Bitcoin closes a daily candle below 93k level, this is 93k level. That's a break of structure. It means institutional longs are no longer defending that position and order flow shift bearish. From an ICT perspective, that's close below 93 levels means price has dropped into deep discount territory with no bullish displacement, signaling smart money is now hunting sell side liquidity, this side. In that case, the next logical drawdown would be around 71k to 75k near the 0.382 fib retracement. This is over fib retracement already mentioned. This is high time frame fib retracement and this is low time frame retracements. So 73 to 81k. And if I zoom out, many one asking about trend line breakdown. I zoom out now. I think you can clear view. This is now let's talk about something I see a lot of traders getting wrong: the long term trend line break. This is long term trend line, and now Bitcoin breakdown and retest. People panic when the trend line get broken, thinking it's the start of bear market. But in SMC and ICT, smart money concept, trend line are not a confirmation tools, guys. They are liquidity magnets. Retail traders place their stop loss below trend lines, and smart money uses that an opportunity to sweep liquidity before pushing the market higher. This is stop losses retail traders, and here was also stop losses are traders and liquidity grift and price go up. So even if Bitcoin temporarily broke below the trend line, this one, as long as the order block holds these order blocks, this is, and the structure doesn't break below 93k, that's not bearish. It's liquidity manipulations, guys. Only price close below 93k levels and retest it as resistance like this, break, retest and down, break, retest and go up. Only price close below that level and retest it's as a resistance, we do confirm bearish retest and structure shift to downside. From an institutional perspective, uh, Bitcoin is clearly in a reaccumulation phase. You can see first, second, third, and fourth same red trend line, red trend line, red trend line, and red trend line. From an institutional perspective, Bitcoin is clearly in a reaccumulation phase. This is similar to what we saw during 2023 and 2024. 2024, 2023, 2022, and 2023. Smart money collecting liquidity, building positions, and preparing for another large expansion leg. Volume structure and displacement are support a move toward 130k levels before we enter the next macro distribution phase. So guys, 1 minute. This is small time frame. Yes. So guys, to wrap this up, Bitcoin remains structure bullish as you can see in the chart. 93k to 95k is the key line in the chart. Stay above it and the bias remain long toward 130k to 170k. Break below it and we shift into deeper reaccumulation zone around 70 to 75k. This level you can keep in mind 0.618 and 0.5 fib retracement level in lower time frame. So as smart money traders, our focus is on structure, order blocks, and liquidity, not emotions. So guys, if you found value in this breakdown Bitcoin chart, make sure to hit the like buttons, subscribe for more ICT and smart money based crypto analysis, and drop for in the comments. I will see you in next video. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and trade smart with the market makers. Thank you guys.